Hi guys, this is me Sir Tawheed, and today I'm going to give you a lesson on present perfect continuous tense. But first of all, I would like to let you know that if you really want to understand these lessons clearly, then I think you should watch from the earlier episodes. You must need to watch out the beginning episode, unless you will not be able to understand it. This is what I would recommend you. Okay, so now we should come to our topic. So today we are going to study present perfect continuous tense. So first of all, we'll talk about its definition. This tense describes the actions or activities that are going on now, but they had started in some past time. Or this tense expresses the actions or activities that are going on from a very long time. It means that whatever you are doing right now, but if you have started this before a very long time, or you had started this in the past time, so this activity could be expressed with the help of present perfect continuous tense. So now let's have a look at its structure. There are around 4 to 5 elements in this structure. The first element is subject, and you know what? The subject is the one who does something. The doer of anything is called the subject. So we have to place subject in the first place, then we have to use helping verb. In the third place, we have to use fourth form of verb, and in the fourth position there is an object. In the fifth position, we might have to use since or for if we want to mention time, but this is not necessary every time that we mention time. Sometimes it is used, this structure is used without mentioning time, so then we will not need them. Now moving on to helping verbs. There are 2 helping verbs, has been or have been. So remember, if the subject is third person singular, then we use has been. And if the subject is other than third person singular, then we use have been. So has been is used with third person singular, and have been is used with all other except third person singular. Now we have to understand when to use since and when to use for. So remember, since is always used when the starting point or point of time is given. Remember, since is used when the starting point or point of time is given, such as morning, 2 o'clock, etc. And for is used when the calculated time or period of time is given. Again, for is used when the calculated time or period of time is given, that is 2 days, 3 weeks, etc. So this is called present perfect continuous tense. Now let's have a look at its example. First example is, it has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning means the raining is still going on, but it started from the past time, which is mentioned as morning, because rain has started in the morning and it is still going on. So this is called present perfect continuous tense. And now if we have a look at the structure or the sentence, According to the structure, we had to put subject in the beginning, so we used it. Remember, it is always used as subject when we are talking about timing or especially season or something non-personal or non-living thing. So it is used as subject. So here the subject is it, and it is treated as third person singular. So because it is third person singular subject, so we have to use has been as helping verb. So we have put has been. Now the third element is verb, fourth form of verb. Here actually the rain which is going on, so we'll put raining in the place of verb. And after raining we have to use object. Since there is no object, so we will mention timing, and the time here given is morning, which is the example of starting point, because morning says the rain has started from the morning. So morning is the starting point for rain, so we'll use since before morning. The final sentence will become it has been raining since morning. To make its negative sentence, we'll have to put not after has. Remember, there is helping verb has been, but not is used in between has and been. So not come after has. It has not been raining since morning. And if we want to make its interrogative sentence, we'll have to use has before the subject. So first we use has, then there is subject, then is the second part of helping verb, been, then we'll use fourth form of verb, raining, and then timing, since morning. And in the end of the sentence, we'll put question mark. Has it been raining since morning? And this is an interrogative sentence. Let's have a look on the second example, which is I have been teaching for 14 years. I have been teaching for 14 years. This sentence means I am still teaching, but I started this work before 14 years or 14 years ago. So because this work started for a very long time, so this activity could be mentioned with the help of present perfect continuous tense. And because the subject is I, which is considered as first person singular, we'll use have been after it. Then fourth form of verb, which is teaching, and then timing for 14 years. And this is an affirmative sentence. To make it a negative sentence, we'll put not after have, and other things will remain same. I have not been teaching for 14 years. Now if I want to make interrogative sentence, I will put have before subject, and the subject is I here, so sentence will become have I been teaching for 14 years. And this is an interrogative sentence, means I am asking this, have I been teaching for 14 years? Moving on to third example. The third example is you have been staying here for 4 days. It means you are still staying here, but you started staying here 3 days before. Means its total become 4 days. And the sentence is affirmative sentence. You have been staying here for 4 days. To make its negative sentence, we'll use not after have. So the sentence will become you have not been staying here for 4 days. This is a negative sentence. And to convert this sentence into interrogative sentence, we'll use helping verb have before the subject you, and other things remain the same, and the sentence will become, have you been staying here for 4 days? Have you been staying here for 4 days? And then put question mark in the end. And this is a standard interrogative sentence. So guys, this is the end of this episode, this lesson. I want to say you one thing, that is, if you have any problem or if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. You can ask me for it. And if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and keep watching. Goodbye.